Places of natural beauty. If you want to explore the most stunning scenery in Kazakhstan, there are many places to choose from. With a fascinating mixture of history and natural beauty, here are two perfect places to go for a trip. Turgan Waterfalls. Turgan Waterfalls is a beautiful area located in the Trans-Ili-Alatau area of the Tian Shan Mountains. It is around 70 kilometers east of Almaty, and it is surrounded by thick coniferous forests and green meadows full of pretty flowers and other plants. Nearby, there are also wonderful natural springs and impressive waterfalls. Lake Issyk. Less than 20 kilometers away from Turgan Waterfalls is the famous Lake Issyk. Although its name means hot, it is the coldest lake in the country. With its amazing turquoise blue waters, the lake is 1,760 meters above sea level, nestled between tall mountains. It was formed over 8,000 years ago, when a huge avalanche created a 300-meter dam. However, in 1963, another avalanche destroyed the dam, draining the lake and flooding the nearby city of Issyk. These days, the lake has been restored for people to enjoy again, and it's a popular destination for locals and tourists to hang out, have picnics or go camping. When to go? August and September are the best months to visit for a great opportunity to see the majestic beauty of Lake Issyk and the breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside at Turgan Waterfalls.